face I know, but I can never match your name to face my fault. That when I know